we're going to talk about the proper way to perform a 5-wheel tire rotation. In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper location for your vehicles or for your floor jack. On a heavier truck like this, we're going to aim for the rear axle. And when we go to the front, we're going to aim for the front axle. The reason why you want to aim for the axles is because if you were to pick it up by the frame, the entire suspension is going to have to sag before the tire comes off the ground. If you go directly to the axle, you eliminate all the suspension travel and you'll have to do a lot less jacking. Okay, what I'm doing here is bringing my jack up to adjustment right on the bottom of the shock absorber. I have the cup for my floor jack right on the bracket for my shock. We're going to jack it up right there. What I'm doing right now is actuating my jack, and as you can see, my tire is beginning to come right off the ground directly. There's no suspension sag. This, if you do it this way, will save you a whole bunch of floor jack work. All right, I'm going to go ahead and rock the tire so you can see that it's free moving. Right there. What I'm going to do now is grab my jack stand, just for safety purposes, and slide it into place right on the vehicle's axle. Okay, what I'm doing right now is releasing the pressure on my hydraulic floor jack, and you will watch the axle seat right onto my jack stand. Right there. Go ahead and release the rest of the pressure on the jack, and we can go ahead and move to the front of the vehicle.